Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we discuss the basics of statistics. Imagine that 10 patients receive a new vaccine and each of the patients either develop immunity or does not immunity. For this type of scenario, binomial probability distribution comes in. Binomial distribution is a type of probability distribution that we use when we are counting the number of times an event occurs in a fixed number of trials. For instance, how many patients will respond to a treatment? How many students will pass an examination? Each of the examples above, there are only two possible outcomes, which is success or failure. Before you consider binomial distribution, 4 conditions must be met. 1. Fixed number of trials, that is, the number of observations must be predetermined. So we can talk about maybe 20 patients or 50 students. Condition 2 is that there are 2 possible outcomes, success or failure. We've said that before. 3. Independent trials, that is, the outcome of one event should not affect the other. That is, if we are looking at patient, the outcome of one patient will not affect the outcome of the next patient. Then, the last one, the probability of success remains the same for every trial. So let's say we treat 5 hypertensive patients using a particular drug with a success rate of 80%. So, what is the probability that 4 patients will respond successfully? So we use this formula where the number of trials is represented by N, the probability of success is represented by P, probability of failure is represented by Q. Note that P plus Q is equal to 1. Then the number of successes we want to determine can be represented by X. So the probability of S equal to 4 is equal to 5 combination 4 times 0.8 raised to power 4 times 0.2 raised to power 1. So this will give us probability of S equals to 4 as 0.41. So the probability that if we use this drug on 5 hypertensive patients, 4 of them will achieve a control is equals to 0.41. In medical research, binomial distribution is useful in studying treatment outcome, disease occurrence, screening tests, and many other health-related events that have success or failure. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.